Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 2 Accounting of Debenture. In previous lecture we already completed up to question number 22. Today let us start question number 23. Let us start question number 23. Parth Engineering Limited redeemed 90% debentures at a face value of rupees 30 lakh at a premium of 12% as on 31st March 2018. For this provision, for money was made out of profit of the company. The company invested the required amount as on 30th April 2017. Past journal entries for the redemption of debentures in the books of company with the assumption that company has fulfilled provisions of Companies Act. Also prepare debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account. Answer part: journal entries. Journal entries of Parth Engineering Limited. 30 April 2017. Debenture redemption investment account debit 4,50,000 to bank account 4,50,000, being investment made at 15% on 30 lakh before redemption of debentures. 31st March 2018. Bank account debit 4,50,000 to debenture redemption investment account 4,50,000, being investment for the redemption of debenture is sold out. 31st March 2018, surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 30 lakh to debenture redemption reserve account 30 lakh, being amount to create a debenture redemption reserve account from profit, amount equal to the nominal value of redeemable debentures. 31st March 2018, 9% debenture account debit 30 lakh, premium on redemption of debenture account debit 3,60,000 to debenture holders account 33,60,000, being amount due on a redemption of debentures with a premium. 31st March 2018, debenture holder account debit 33,60,000 to bank account 33,60,000, being payment of amount due to debenture holders. 31st March 2018, debenture redemption reserve account debit 30 lakh to general reserve account 30 lakh, being transfer of a balance of a debenture redemption reserve account to general reserve account on the redemption of all the debentures. Now we prepare the debenture redemption investment account. Debit side 4 columns are there: date, particular, journal folio and amount. Credit side also 4 columns: date, particular, journal folio and amount rupees. On 34/2017 to bank account 4,50,000, and when year ending 31st March 2018 by bank account 4,50,000. Debenture redemption reserve account 31st March 2018 to general reserve account 30 lakh and 31st March 2018 by surplus in statement of profit and loss account 30 lakh. So this way our question number 23 is over. Now question number 24. Munj Software Limited redeemed rupees 24 lakh 12% debentures at a premium of 8% out of a profit on 1/10/2017. The company had a debenture redemption reserve of 11 lakh. It was decided to invest the required amount in proper time in debenture redemption investment as per Companies Act. Past necessary journal entries for the redemption of debentures in the books of a company. Now answer part. First of all, journal entries of Munj Software Limited. 31st March 2017. Surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 13 lakh to debenture redemption reserve account 13 lakh. Being necessary amount out of a profit 24 lakh minus 11 lakh transferred to debenture redemption reserve account. 30 April 2017, debenture redemption investment account debit 3,60,000 to bank account 3,60,000, being investment made at 15% as per rule on 24 lakh total value of redeemable debentures. 1/10/2017, bank account debit 3,60,000 to debenture redemption investment account 3,60,000, being amount received on investment and cashed for the redemption of a debenture. 1/10/2017, 12% debenture account debit 24 lakh, premium on redemption of a debenture account 1,92,000 to debenture holder account 25,92,000, being amount due on redemption of debentures. Again 1/10/2017, debenture holders account debit 25,92,000 to bank account 25,92,000, being payment payment of amount due to debenture holders on a maturity date. 1/10/2017 debenture redemption reserve account debit 24 lakh, 11 lakh old plus 13 lakh new to general reserve 24 lakh, being transfer amount of a debenture redemption reserve account to general reserve account on the redemption of all the debentures. This way our question number 24 is over. Now question number 25. A company purchased its own 1500 debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 96 in the open market and immediately cancels them after purchase. Pass journal entries in the books of a company. Answer part. Journal of a company. Own debenture account debit 1,44,000 to bank account 1,44,000. Being 1500 debenture purchased in the open market at 96 per rupees per debenture. Debenture account debit 1,50,000 to own debentures account 1,44,000 to profit on redemption of a debenture account 6,000. Being cancellation of own purchased debentures. Question number 26. Company purchased its own 6,000 debentures of rupees 400 each at rupees 415 in the open market and immediately cancels them after purchase. Pass journal entries in the books of a company. Answer part. Journal of company. Own debenture account debit 24,90,000 to bank account 24,90,000. Being purchased 6,000 debentures from the market at rupees 415 per debenture. Second, debenture account debit 24 lakh, loss on redemption of a debenture account debit 90,000 to own debenture account 24,90,000, being cancellation of own purchased debentures. Now, question number 27. Jasprit Apparels Limited issued 6,012% debentures of rupees 300 each. The board of directors has purchased 2,500 own debentures from the market at a price of rupees 280 each for investment purpose. After few months, company sold these purchased debentures at rupees 310 per debenture in the market. Record necessary journal entries from the above transaction. Now, answer part. Journal entries of the Jasprit Apparels Limited. Bank account debit 18 lakh to debenture application account application and enrollment account 18 lakh. Being application money received on 6,000 debentures at rupees 300 per debenture. Second, debenture application and allotment account debit 18 lakh to 12% debenture account 18 lakh. Being application money transferred to debenture account. Third journal entry, investment in own debenture account debit 7 lakh to bank account 7 lakh. Being purchase of 2,500 debentures at rupees 280 each from the market for investment. Bank account debit 7,75,000 to investment in own debenture account 7 lakh to profit on sale of investment account 75,000. Being investment in own debenture sold at rupees 310 each. Fifth journal entry, profit on sale of investment account 75,000 to statement of profit and loss account 75,000. Being profit on sale of investment due to revenue profit transfer to statement of profit and loss account. This way, our question number 27 is over. Now, question number 28. As on 1st April 2014, Ravindra Copper Limited issued 12,000 convertible debenture of rupees 4 each at par. As per the terms of issue of debentures, all the debentures will be converted into equity shares of rupees 10. 12.5% debentures is there and it convert into rupees 10 each and at a premium of 50%. When debenture is there, at par is there. 400 rupees debenture is there and at par. But when we need to convert into shares, at that time, it is rupees 10 and premium of 50% after 5 years. On 1st April 2019, debentures were converted into equity shares as per the agreed terms. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of a company. First of all, necessary calculation. Total amount received on issue of a debenture 12,000 into 448 lakh. Price of each equity share to be issued against debenture rupees 10 original price plus 5 premium. 50% premium means 5 rupees is equal to 15 rupees. Number of equity share is to be issued against debenture 48 lakh divided by 15, 3 lakh 20,000 shares. Now, journal entries of Ravindra Copper Limited. For 1 April 2014, bank account debit 48 lakh to debenture application and allotment account 48 lakh, being application money received on 12,000 debentures of rupees 400 each. 1/4/2014, debenture application and allotment account debit 48 lakh to 12.5% debenture account 48 lakh, being application money transferred to debenture account. 1/4/2019, after 5 years, 12.5% debenture account debit 48 lakh to debenture holders account 48 lakh, being 12,000 debentures to be converted to face value into equity shares. Debenture holders account debit 48 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh 20,000 shares into 10, to security premium reserve account 3 lakh 20,000 into 5, 32 lakh and 16 lakh, being 3 lakh 28,000 shares at rupees 10 each at a premium of 50% and issued against 12,000 debentures. So this way, when convert of debenture into equity shares with a premium. Now, question number 29. On 1st January 2014, Rajan Limited issued 8,011% debentures of rupees 100 each. According to terms of issue of debentures, the debenture were to be redeemed at 6% premium by giving 6 months notice at any time after 4 years. The redemption of debentures was to be made by cash or by preference share or by new debenture as per the option to be exercised by the debenture holders. On 1st March 2018, the company issued the required notice to the debenture holders for the redemption of the debentures. The company gave 3 options for the redemption of the debenture on 1st March 2018. Amount will be paid in cash. 9% preference share of rupees 100 each will be issued at rupees 130 per share. New 7% debenture of rupees 100 each will be issued at rupees 96 each. Holders of 3,600 debentures accepted new debentures. Holders of 3,315 debentures accepted preference shares and rest opted for cash. Write the necessary journal entries to record about transactions. Necessary calculation. At the time of redemption of 8,000 debentures, 3,600 debentures into 106, 3,81,600. Number of debentures, 3,81,600 divided by 96, 3,975 debentures. 3,315 debentures into 106, 3,51,390. Number of preference share, 3,51,390. Upon all 130, 2,703, and 1,085 debentures into 106, 3,51,390 cash. So this way converted in debenture, preference share and cash. Now let us start the journal entry. Journal entries of Rajan Limited 1/1/2014, bank account debit 8 lakh to debenture application and allotment account 8 lakh, being application money received on 8,000 debentures. 1/1/2014, debenture application and allotment account debit 8 lakh, loss on issue of a debenture account debit 48,000, to 11% debenture account 8 lakh, to premium on a reduction of a debenture account 48,000, being application money transferred to debenture account and a premium to be paid on reduction of debentures. 1/3/2018, 11% debenture account debit 8 lakh, premium on reduction of a debenture account 48,000 to debenture holders account for 8 lakh 48,000, being amount due on 8,000 debentures with a 6% premium. 1/3/2018, debenture holders account debit 3,81,600, debenture discount account debit 15,900 to 7% debenture account 3,97,500, being issue of 3,975 new debentures of rupees 96 each, holders of 3,600 debentures. 1/3/2018, debenture holders account debit 3,51,390 to 9% preference share account 2,70,300 to security premium account 81,090, being issue of 2,703 preference shares of rupees 106 each to holder of 3,315 debentures. 1/3/2018, debenture holders account debit 1,15,010 to bank account 1,15,010 being cash paid to holders of remaining 1,085 debentures. So this way, in this sum, they converted when debentures holders at that time, one is the discount debenture or 7% debentures discount, and afterward some of 9% preference share is there with a premium, and another remaining debenture holders, they gave cash. So debenture holders account debit 1,15,010 to bank account 1,15,010 being cash paid to holders of a remaining 1,085 debentures, and here 3,975 debentures rupees 96 each holder, and 3,600 debentures are there. Here 2,703 preference share rupees 106 and holders of 3,315 debentures. So this way they convert in three types of this: debenture, preference share, and redeem the cashback. So this way chapter number 2, accounting of a debenture exercise, all the sum is over. Thank you very much.